morning, good morning. Let's get it. Okay, we're public too. Alright, we're public today. There we go. Oh, buy side taken, as I was looking for already. But yeah. Simple price action, bullish SMT. Shift down lower. Bullish closure in the macro. As we continue up higher. Not mean to do that. Look at the SMTs within here. We get this 2-minute inversion. Right about there. Rip up, retest the new day opening gap, whole new week opening gap, move higher. It's a pretty simple movement through here. More SMT at these wicks for a drive higher after a discounted sell-off with equal highs above. Clear order flow. Powell should be speaking right now. I believe he's speaking. That's today, right? Yeah, he's supposed to be speaking. So we got job openings at 10 o'clock today too, so we'll see how the job openings are. He's speaking at like an economic forum.
From the European Central Bank and President Campos Neto from Brazil.
He's not speaking yet. Oh, he's on stage right now. Higher time frame, we are just working our way bullish. We'll see if it flips right back around and works our way lower. We opened up, we poked this low, we went higher. A lot of equal highs up here. Maybe we close bullish here, we pull back in and get some projection in this area for a long continuation. That's what I would need to see. This for value gap hold or us break down below and us get something lower down here to go long. As well as the higher time frames closing in a good manner. We're bouncing off that fair value gap I was talking about right here with SMT. Let's see if we use that as support to move higher. I'm gonna get another coffee. I'll be right back. Damn, look at her rip. Right off of that fair value gap I was talking about. Bullish SMT. Yeah. Look at that bullet. 15-second inversion up to the end log there. And dog up there. Sheesh. Good 2R. That could have been a nice trade already. Like it obviously closed bullish. 3-minute SMT. Yeah, I know we broke this high, but we are still long. Still bullish in the price. Gun to my head, we're going to do the same thing here. Just a little bit different. I'll log into my paper accounts. I want to put in this account here. About 45% of the way to hitting the profit target here. Yep, there we go again. Close this, bullish. Just like I just fucking said, man. Same thing. Lower low for value gap, breaker. If we close above this new day opening gap, I would want to see this act as support to move higher. Just like that, closed it. I want to see it move higher now. Look at that. Walking that dog, baby. Walk it up. Oh, Powell did speak. Oh, shit, what did he say? Let's see what he said.
Anyone. I think that it's for everyone to really look under the skin of the economy and see where it's heading and appreciating what our reaction function is and how we're likely to decide.
Here, Powell, you have also been on a journey and have been on hold since last July, have not cut rates like the ECB in June. Why not? What are you waiting for?
So let me say that sitting here last year, there was a lot we didn't know, and we didn't know that we were just about to embark on a period of 7 months of much lower inflation readings. We didn't realize that the second half of last year was going to be an extraordinary year from a growth standpoint, and also from the standpoint of the labor market. So things actually worked out in the second half of last year in a remarkable way. And as you know, in the first quarter of this year, we continue to have solid growth in the first half, actually solid growth, and the labor market is still strong, although we've seen continued rebalancing in the labor market. And inflation, after pausing in the first quarter, now shows signs of resuming its disinflationary trend. So it's a little bit different journey. So where that leaves us is we've made quite a bit of progress in bringing inflation back down to our target, while the labor market has remained strong and growth has continued. We want that process to continue. I think the last reading and the one before in inflation, the one before to a lesser extent, do suggest that we are getting back on a disinflationary path. We want to be more confident that inflation is moving sustainably down toward 2% before we start the process of reducing our policies, of loosening policy. That's what we said, and what we'd like to see is more data like we've been seeing recently. We'd also like to see the labor market remain strong. We said that if we saw the labor market unexpectedly weakening, that is also something that could call for a reaction.
How much more confident do you want to be? The PCE number 2.6, that wasn't too bad that we got last week.
That's right. So we're actually on a 12-month basis. We're actually at 2.6 both headline and core for inflation. That represents really significant progress. I think we peaked at 5.4% in core, and the same thing's happened in headline from 7.1 to 2.6. So yes, we made a lot of progress. We just want to understand that the levels that we're seeing are a true reading on what is actually happening with underlying inflation. As we were saying at the last part of last year, people were saying you need to declare victory. This is over. And then we had a quarter of inflation which was well above 3%. So we want to be more confident. And frankly, because the U.S. economy is strong, the labor market is strong, we have the ability to take our time and get this right. That's what we're planning to do.
So September?
I'm not going to be laying any specific dates here today. Let me also say that we're well aware that if we go too soon, that we can undo the good work we've done to bring down inflation. And if we go too late, we could unnecessarily undermine the recession, the recovery, and the expansion. And so we're worried that we have two-sided risks now, more so than we did a year ago. That's a big change. I'd say risks are coming much more into balance.
President Campos, you have been on a different journey because you've actually been cutting rates for much of the last year and have recently paused. Why? What are you seeing in inflation data, and what are you going to do next?
Okay, so if we go back a little bit, piece of time. So Brazil was one of the first countries to hike rates. I think in part because we had a different call on the dynamics of inflation, both locally and globally. And I think that turned out to be correct. And then at some point in time, we started the easy.
Oh, alright. We hit the liquidity. Now let's reverse. Got SMT at the wicks. I'm not going to get in this soon. I know there's SMT, a lot of liquidity here. We've just been very, very bullish. We hit the liquidity. Dog hair in my mouth? What the fuck? Ugh. Okay, we hit the higher time frame. I would want to see if price wants to keep going higher or if it wants to reverse now. It's hard to want to short in something like this. You need more information usually. But just like yesterday, they're selling off, you need more information to buy. Okay. We hit the first leg, and then the second leg started to buy up. So maybe that's what happens here today. But overall time frame, we are bullish. But liquidity was just hit, so might not be a great day for price action, to be honest. There's good setups to buy that up today, but not for me. It's against my rules. The rules matter. Alright, we're getting a high push right now. Higher high, lower high. I would like to see some type of pullback and long continuation. I would not want to short here. Too many equal highs up here. Dollar should be pushing down. Yes, that's exactly what we're getting. Just from this area too. Sweet, that's fucking nice. Took this liquidity, took that liquidity, shifting down. I know it's leaving these equal highs, but that might not be great. I'd rather see it hit those equal highs first, but that'd be so nice. Got so many equal lows down here. Eventually, we're gonna get back down there. Eventually. I'd like to see it come way down here too, but I don't know. See how this all works. Because dollar's obviously heading bearish. I know we're in an order block. We're in the middle of this range. So do we want to continue down? Maybe. Do we want to reverse and go higher? Maybe. So that's where we pay attention to these inversions and stuff. So I'll put alerts on there, stuff like that. So we'll see if it ends up buying up and inversing this. If it doesn't, then we're probably going to keep going bullish. I'd like to see some type of pullback down into this range though, and then get that push. No way. No, no, no. No way. What the fuck? So if we are going to continue bullish, which is very possible, to continue to get up into this range, into this 1 hour for value gap up here. We just already hit our targets, so it's a lot less probable if we're going to get a continuation here. That's the issue I have right now. Maybe if we come down, take this low again, get some more accumulation, maybe take this low and buy back up. Or if we just keep playing around in here. I just need some more information. I'm not taking this buy, even if we inverse that. That's not worth it to me. Like, I know it's got to be quality for me to want to take a trade. There's some bearish SMT here. Overall daily is bullish, but we're honestly just in this range. And it's kind of difficult. Yeah, if we invert this 30-second here, I think we could start to look lower. We're getting bearish SMT in this fair value gap. At the same time, I think we could still invert this and move up once more. How's dollar looking? Just stupid. Not really doing much. I know it definitely looks like it's getting weak up here. We're bouncing off multiple key areas. Filled in the gap. We're about to get that 30-second inversion just like that. I think we're going to push lower. Right above that. I was a little bit late on there. That's just a paper, though. I just think it's a hard area, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna stick to, like, okay, missing this trade is just an opportunity for me to review and improve my quality execution, okay? So, like, if I miss this on my funded, I'm fine. I'm just gonna wait. And it's probably gonna get hit out. It's not even that good quality. I know we had SMT. It's just a little move there. Yeah, there we go. Hit out. Paper account. That's why I didn't take that on the funded or the eval. I just know it's not quality, man. It's like we're overall bullish. 15-minute close bullish. It's like, why? Why, like, risk it, you know? Like, if we look at this range, I know we're, like, in a premium or whatever. Clean. We're above 50%. We hit this area. We also have this 15-minute up here. I don't think that's impossible to knock it up there. So if we get SMT and we invert this here, so we just took another low. We just inverted this 30-second. Now we got this 30-second for value gap here that I want to pay attention to. Do we resist and support on this fair value gap after we inverted the other one? Because now we have bullish SMT from over here. Back hitches. I'm now going to watch this 30-second for value gap. We just tapped into it. Now we're bouncing out that 30-second for value. I think, personally, that we're going to use this as a form of support. Let's go 2020. To go to these highs here. Am I taking this? Fuck no. We just took a higher time from liquidity. We got bearish SMT. I can still mark up what price is doing. 9 minutes. They're all making that low into that gap, so that's not probable. So yeah, I'm just gonna be watching this though. I'd say it's higher probability to buy up 20 points from here versus dealing lower, because we swept the lows. We got the internal high. But anything other than this internal high, I feel like is riskier to hold. But we hit buy side already, so usually when we hit buy side in the morning session, you could expect like sloppier price action. Notice how we came down into this discounted range too, rejected it, now we're buying back up. I'm gonna watch my recording from yesterday. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, we just had our news come out and we're still chopping around. I didn't take any of these trades, by the way. I knew we had news coming out. There's gotta be really good quality if I'm gonna take something today. Maybe we get some more distribution up at this high. And we ultimately end up pulling back down into this, these relative equal lows right here, into this range. And we just get something accumulated up here, poke up, sell back down. I don't know. We got 11 minutes in this 15-minute candle, so I want to see how that plays out. If it closes really bullish, maybe it goes bullish. If it pushes up, takes the high, SMTs, could possibly look for a reversal. But as of now, we obviously shifted structure higher, but we did that down here and we went up to buy side. Question is, 50-50, where do we go now? We got the 30-second inverse there. Trade down multiple times. Gun to my head, we're going to this high up here. This quality ain't there for me though. Bullish 5-minute closure on yes. See what happens if these lows get hit. Still nothing quality for me yet. I know we got SMT now up there. Fucking chop at all time frames. Had our news come out, but still nothing very intense yet. It's NFP week, we hit liquidity. We might not even take a trade today. And that's fine. I mean, following the plan if we don't take a trade. Meeting minutes tomorrow. Nice reaction on ES from this order block here. We get this 9 minute to close bullish like that. I'd say that's still bullish for possible profits up here. How the hell is Bitcoin looking? That's the question. I'm curious. Shifted structure. I like how we're playing in here. Gotta keep watching this area. Start to pop off and blow out of here, and then this could be area. This could be the area. We're gonna get a massive push out of here. A lot of equal highs up here. Discounted liquidity. SMT. Especially if the indices start going bullish, this stays bearish. Oh, fuck. We inverted. Oh, no, not yet. We're about to invert, though. Oh, dollar coming in hot, man. 9 minute fucking ripped it, dude. Wow, inverted that out the ass. Let's rip it now. Oh, man, that's bearish in the indices. I did not want to see that, but I mean, that's what's happening. Okay, higher high, lower high. I am bearish now. We are coming out of our macro. Order block inversion. Oh, right there's a fucking short. I was not paying attention to that. It's gonna fucking melt. Right fucking there, dude. SMTs. I was just like, this is choppy. It's not gonna happen. There it is. That was the short right there. 2020 already put in. It's okay. This gives me an opportunity to focus more. You know, like, it wasn't really that clear either. I mean, we're just obviously chopping. We inverted here, yes, 30-second SMTs. Okay. And, like, we're obviously targeting, like, way lower. Like, with this one, I'd be measuring this standard deviation. Yeah, I'd be targeting at least midnight open here. 74 points, that's so chubby. That's so fat. That's like 20 points is a minimum. Within the next one, 74 points, midnight open. Potentially even lower, down to the swing low again. Let's push it a little bit. Well, I think there's 100 points there. Could be willing to come out of this. Just happened super fast. So I just don't like to be zoomed in on the chart the whole time either. Yeah, I could just use this breaker now. Keep pushing lower. That's what I think is gonna happen. It's too late for me to get in. I mean, I missed the move, but that's alright. Finally breaking out of this stupid range we're in. Nine-minute close, pretty bearish. He also inverted that 9 minute. I'd say continuation down now. I just missed the move, that's alright. I used to think like missing moves made me like a bad trader or something, but it does not. Something I'm really like working on. Like missing a move does not make you a bad trader at all. Just like you're not being focused for something. Oh, you missed the move. Like, okay, just fucking wait for the next one. There should be another opportunity. Look at the time, it wasn't clear. Like we were in shop. Even if this inverses here, it moves higher. Like, okay, I might be missing something in the chart. Okay, and maybe SMT with YM. Okay, yes, there's SMT with YM. Okay. Am I missing that? Yeah, maybe. Could we go bullish from here? Oh, fuck yeah. Honestly, might. I'm overall bullish in the higher time frame. Dollar's reacting. Pulling back, we start closing down below here again. We're probably gonna invert and go lower. Like, 1 minute's already inverting. Well, we're coming up to retest this order block here, the breaker. And does that send us lower? It might. It might. But if we invert it, it might go higher. Is it clear? No, it's not. Premium. So like in the higher time frame range, we're in a premium. And like right here, like it's honestly in the middle of everything. The short little moves like don't really give us much information. Like that right there, that 20-point move right there. Then we come back to break even. If I had 3 contracts on, I'd already be at break even. And then watch it continue to drop. Like, I don't know what's gonna fucking happen. I should be logged into my trading account on here. I'll log out over here. No, 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 not strategy tester. Ain't got no strategy. I'm testing. There we go. That's what I like to see. So if we take anything, it's most likely going to be a short. I'd want to see it get up here again, give us some more SMT or whatever. Since we took the high, we started closing bearish, we inverted the 9-minute. I am definitely targeting down below here. I'm targeting this area. Standard deviation. Need something a little bit more clear. I know we got bearish order block, all that fun stuff. I know we got bullish SMT over there. We didn't even hit the end walk over here though. These equal lows are hit with this order block here. So we gotta see if that's gonna send us anywhere. Moving that way up just in case. I'm not taking anything yet. Because if this does inverse, I would say it's gonna go higher. See equal lows here. Even if it does go higher, create more SMT, I mean, and then we get an inversion, like, that'd be even fucking better. So I'm listing the sidelines until that happens. I don't need to take a trade right now. I don't need to take a trade at all today. I can just sit here and do absolutely nothing. And it's still doing something in the trading world. That's the beauty of this shit. Equal highs made there. We just took out the short-term low. We do have these relative equal highs. Motherfucker. Just got this internal high here. Fuck, we hit 50% of that range. I was just gonna start closing, man. We invert this 2 minute. We're starting to form some order blocks above the NWOG here. Turn liquidity, order block. I don't think it's that much quality. I just don't think the quality's there, man. I know I just inverted this 2 minute now from here. Let's say hypothetically we got in here 2020. Hypothetically, let's say down below the new day opening gap. So we enter right here. Okay, it'd be in drawdown. I'm not taking this. I don't think it's quality. But based on this 2 minute inversion level we got, is what we have here. Like, I only want to take trades that, like, I feel are very, very, like, undeniable. I know we got liquidity here, but, like I said, we've already hit higher time frame buy side. So that's what's keeping me on edge. I know we got SMT there. Even then, there's not even any gaps I want to fucking short in. Like, I still have a sell limit ready to be placed, but there's nothing I want to even trade. Bam, look at that. That's why I don't take shit like that. Exactly why. Like, I used to just see an inversion and be like, oh, I'm gonna stab it. Like, I'm gonna take a trade on that shit. But I ain't like that no more. If anything, you wait for the soup and then maybe SMT to go inversion to go. If anything. Yeah, he's made equal lows here. Five second inversion. Let's see if he just rips these highs here. I'm not taking it, but let's see. Highs ripped. It's ripped up there. I'm not taking this. This is just such lower time frame bullshit. We can take this low here. at all this structure. Low taken, 1 second inversion. Inverted, go. Where's the money? Where's the money? Soup these lows, hit these highs, soup the highs, pull them back down. So we got FOMC tomorrow. Powell's speaking. We got 4th of July the following day, and FP the next day. Very, very weird set of news. 2 minute just closed very bearish, 3 minute bearish. I would say, just looking at candles, trading lower. Okay. SMTs with YM. I'm not taking it though. I think it's going bearish. It looks like it's going bearish, but my plan does not say to take it, so I'm staying out. And that's the nature of this game. If your plan doesn't say to take it, you fucking stay out. No. Alright, under 1020 to 1040 macro. Let's see what happens at 10 whatchamacallit, 1030. Low taken. They all made that same low. I'm staying out of this bitch, man. Oh shit, 30-second inversion. No, you don't take a trade just because there's an inversion, man. I'd like to see some more SMT down in these lows, though. Which obviously using that as support. If I go long, I'd want to see a 15-minute closure above this. Till then, see it as resistance. So higher high, lower high. Okay, that's bearish. We got a lot of equal lows lower. I mean, we got this high here. We got this 1 minute for value gap. I'm gonna name that as 1 minute inverse. If we inverse it, that's if we inverse it. Very, very fucking choppy today. The hell is Powell saying? Probably just something useless. We opened price today basically at the midnight level. Or we did at the midnight level. Price open at the exact point where midnight opened. Fuck, man. That's algorithm if you don't fucking know it. It's not by accident. So lower low, higher low. I would say bullish now. Three-minute bullish closure, retest. We just don't have SMT at the lows. It's the only issue. Let's watch this rip. We're in the breaker. It's not my trading plan to take though. It's gonna be okay with missing out. Just anticipating price and just missing out. There we go. She's going higher. Let's see if these highs want to get ran. I'm so fucking tired. Remember what I said, 10:30? So wait till 10:30 to see what we get. 10:30 starts to rip. Okay, we got 13 minutes now on this 15 minute. I want to see it close up above this 50% if we're going to go bullish. But I want to see if it wants to get up and above it. Create more SMT. We got a lot of liquidity up here that we could reach for. I just wasn't a fan of this price action. I'll be right back. I'm back. Retest of then walk here, so the high intact. looking good, honestly, for longs. This fair value gap right here. Fuck yeah, dude. If you have SMT, if you don't, I mean, this looks good for longs, honestly. But I don't trade like that. Few minutes left in this 5 minute. I mean, a few seconds left. 47. About 4 minutes left on the 9 minute. I personally believe that we're gonna rip this high, and then we're gonna stall, and then we're gonna get a reversal back to all those equal lows down there. That's personally what I believe. So we're gonna go bearish, and we're gonna flip back here. Maybe hit this low. We'll see. All right, one high poked. Next high is up here. We got 1 minute for value gap projection there. Give us a standard deviation on this leg. Ooh, that could rip us up to there. And you get the sell side, and you're starting to get the buy side curve here. Sell side, buy side. Most of the time, nothing is the best thing to do. Now the question is, if we invert, since we're up here, we just took this 30-minute high. This high is still intact. The question is, if we invert this level, are we going to go lower? I mean, it's looking like it's stalling. If we invert this 1 minute, so we hit liquidity, we have SMT. We gonna poke this high now? Oh man, I can't do that. The equal fucking highs right there. That's gotta hit that high first. Plus the 15 minutes bullish. I need more information up here. Okay, that high just got ripped. So we hit this high. So more SMT again at the highs. It's obviously weak. Would it flip back bullish here? I don't know. I'd like to see it. Flip back bullish here. I'm gonna do a discount. I see this inversion here. We just took this internal liquidity. We had 10 more minutes until we get our macro. Because if we invert this 1 minute right now, the RR is not the best. I wouldn't even want to have my stop there. It just doesn't look right. There we go. Going bullish. That's good. That's good. I didn't want to fucking short that anyway. Just think the SMT setup I wanted down here. See how high we go. I think we can keep going higher. At the same time, I think we can flip right back around. See, we have 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. If this closes like this, we could possibly look for retest. More accumulation. Maybe hit the internal lows as an inversion and go higher. Maybe. Just one of those days. Look at that SMT, probably 30-second inversion. Yep, right here. Closing right now. Let's see a trade down lower. Equal lows, lows. That SMT is spitting it. That 15 minute does not look like it wants to close it. we just inverted the 30-second. If we are gonna go bearish. Look, fits right down below those fucking lows too. Oh, man. Close down below 50% of that. 15-minute close bullish here. That is bearish sign. Bullish order block. Okay, we're getting a lot of correlation now. That seems pretty decent. I don't want to get hyper focused, but I'm gonna put in a sell limit. Let's see what we get in the next little bit here. See if it makes another drive higher. We got a 15-minute over there. That's fucking decent. 5-minute ripping off. We'll see if it pokes it once more. I actually wouldn't be opposed to seeing that either. Putting this way up here for now, in case it just rips. Massive expansion up there. Yeah, price, look at that, just straight down, rejected here, moved higher. We have all these relative equal lows down here. Just inverted that gap there. I'm gonna take a stab here. Moving stops to break even already. That might hit me out. I just hit a short-term low. It's probably gonna hit me a break even. So we'll see. 20 points right there. Yeah, I already got hit at break even on the funded account. Alright, that happened really fast. "30-second inversion set up. First trade break even. I was like, oh shit. So that was a break even right there. I'm even gonna put this up. That looked really good, honestly. Not like really good. Sim execution was a 10. I'd say my focus was a 10. Patience was a 10. I did good there. So the SMT was very valid. Here, I want to make sure every order's off. Oh, $1.82 on my funded account. Yeah, so break even here. All the orders are off, right? And 0. So we hit that low, SMT. Looks like we're gonna go bullish now. I mean, I was wrong on the bias, I guess. Yeah, we just inverted that with SMT here. It's going bullish. I would say bullish right now. Crazy, man. Notice how, like, I got stopped at break even. Okay, it's now 10:50. I can miss a trade, it'll be fine. That trade just looked good to take, but obviously didn't win. Alright, I'm gonna start recording too, so. Alright, there we go. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So high. High. Yeah, break even. Yeah, that rejected that for value gap very nicely on the 5-minute here. So I'm going to want to continue to watch what happens next. I would say, gun in my head, this is more bullish than bearish at this point in time. But obviously it's been chopping around. We'll see. 1 minute, order block. Okay, breaker, we inversed it. 30-second here. Just came right back to the inverse. That looks bullish, dummy. You could probably take the buy right here and make some good money on this. Stop below here. Targeting up to 15-minute. Just didn't give me the entry I wanted. I was like, oh, that inverted, that looks nice. And then it re-inverted again. So how many points I go down? So from entry, about 8 points, so what was that, like, definitely a few $100. I don't know, I wasn't looking at the money, I was looking at managing my stops in case it pulled back, which it did. It's fucking juicy, look at that 5-minute. 9 minutes would close like this too. 15-minute, baby. You're selling off, yup. Yup. Good night, dollar. You did not want to push, so you're selling. Good. Keep pushing down. Keep pushing lower. Just gonna keep pushing higher. So now, I'm gonna be looking for some type of continuation now. I really believe price finally picked its side, and it's bullish. Buy ES right there in the gap. Stop down there. I mean, they're equal lows, but it might not give me an opportunity for a re-entry, but we'll see. This might act as a breakaway gap on here. I don't think I'd want to see that 5-minute come all the way down there, though. I would say 2142.50. That's where price is being drawn to. Yep, goodbye. Walking the fucking dog at this point. It's gone. It's gone! It's fucking gone. And I was not in it. Dude, just didn't give me the SMTs I wanted to see to take that buy. Good night. It's gone. Another 30-second inversion. I mean, 15-second. After souping the low with SMTs. There she is right there. I ain't micromanaging this bitch. I don't need every little move, but that's what I'm seeing here. You can tell in a 5-minute time frame. It's bullish, motherfucker. I want to see it keep rallying up. But it is staying weak. We'll say that. Hit the low in dollar? Nope. Just pull back in. It's like, I would not necessarily want to short this, but it's possible that I could short in here. Higher high, premium, equal lows. Oh man, there is a lot of liquidity down here. This 1 minute would have to inverse. I'd love for this just to rip it. Inversion, something. Inversion. Fucking rip it lower. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Just rip that 15-minute for value gap and trade lower after. These might get hit too. I have to get going though. Take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Peace out.